AOL connectivity service.
The new,
Yeah.
the new feature of AOL that allows you to check your current connection method and everything.
Okay, basically, ACS files a new way for members to connect to the AOL service. It allows members to easily configure their AOL connection with a reliable connectivity. Okay,
Good.
when do we usually provide the solution for ACS when members have problems? Correct.
Connectivity overview.
And ACS has different versions, and on your modules you will find a table there where the left side has the client version and the right side has the ACS version. And for AOL 9.0 optimized version with ACS 1.0 version. Then for AOL 9.0 optimized SELE ACS 2.0. And AOL Security Edition LAN. What's the version?
Security edition is ACS 3.0.
What is it?
Sure.
ACS 1.1.
Left.
Where else?
Three.
Then we have AOL.
Easily adapted.
ACS 4.0.
Happy and dirty.
Open right ACS 4.4 and 9 over here is ACS 4.6 version. It's important for us to know the version of ACS when providing the steps for preparing ACS. Why is it important? Great. Why is it important for us to know the version of ACS?
Why? Because there are different steps, right? That's in preparing versus ACS for each version. Compared to the other.
Yeah. Correct. Because ACS version has vertical. When especially for repairing the ACS. On our modules, that the prayer procedure for each version of ACS differs slightly. Because especially for ACS 1.0 version, it has it's a long process when preparing the ACS or installing. Then you can only have one version of ACS on your computer that can be installed. Then downgrading to a lower version of AOL will not downgrade the ACS version. It will use the version of ACS that was on the previous AOL software. And what would you do if you would like to install the version of ACS that is compatible with the version of AOL that you installed on your computer? What will you do if you would like to install the version of ACS, or when you would like to downgrade and would like to install the version of ACS file that is compatible with the version of AOL you need to install?
I think it will automatically download. And whenever you notice an ACS upgrade or it will now install something, that will automatically upgrade.
Because when you download the lower version,
Yeah.
it will use the version of ATS file from the previous version. And what you need to do is, you need to uninstall also the version of the previous ATS file on your computer. So that once you install the AOL software, it will install the version of ATS compatible with the version you are installing.
So it will not operate.
Yeah, you're referring to the rollback file. The rollback, we only use, say for example, there's a new version of ACS and then it's faulty. That's the only time we roll it back. So, it means that, like, it's post-beta version, you know that. It's GM, but then it's really not that good. That's the only time we do rollback. But right now, we don't have any version that is on that situation. So we never do rollback for now. Once in a while, Fusion is gonna let you do that.
Okay, uninstalling ACS version 1 cannot be done under the admin programs or through the test program. This is a long way process, so we need to set the expectations to the members that it is a long way process.
One.
We can tell you the on the next page of our module, we need to consider that on our test body module, we have learned how to determine the members connection method. And how would we determine the version of ACS through the test body?
Just a question about ACS. How come the Fusion is at the highest version, 4.0?
Yes.
Since the 4.0 is for AOL suite, so we need to say that our latest version AOL 9.1 or 9 VR uses 4.0 or 1?
No.
Or does it make a big difference at 4.0 to 4.6?
Not really. What you see on Fusion is only 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4, that's the 4 family.
For family.
Yes, family oriented, you know. So even if the member is using 4.0 or 4.6, you select 4.
Yeah. Where's the instructor? There.
Okay. Going back to that, where do we find the version of ACS through test body? Correct. And do you have any other steps?
So simple.
How about on